owayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs waphinde adlalele neMamelodi Sundowns uDerek Spencer. Uthi uyabhiliva ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingayishaya iMamelodi Sundowns ngalamaplayer lawa amasha afikile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But asingeneni ku-statement sakhe sonke bafowethu. Ubaba laphana uDerek uthi une-feeling ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izowina laphana, izoyishaya i-Sundowns. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayenzi kabi noma yenza right this season. Uthi bane-good team mawubheka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi futhi baqale kahle laphana eligini. Uthi-ke laphana nje ku-MTN 8 i-Kaizer Chiefs azange ibe nenhlanhla that time idlala ne-Golden Arrows kuma-quarter finals, ingakho bangakwazanga ukuwina leya game leya. But uthi makayibheka laphana i-team iza kahle kakhulu and nabafana bayakwazi ukudlalelana laphana babe yi-unity. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance yokuthi iwine i-league this season. Uthi nje lelo iqiniso or meba honest laphana. Uthi izinto azibonayo laphana nje zi-positive ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodinga i-striker. Hhayi, asiqhubeke nge-statement sakhe before siquestione ezinye izinto. But uthi kulama player lawa abawasayinile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-player angakwazi ukuyisiza i-team ilwe against i-Sundowns. Uthi ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele abe strong laphana nje mentally, otherwise-ke they are good to go. Uthi izinto-ke azihambeli kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi things haven't been going our way at Kaizer Chiefs, so the new players will be heroes if Chiefs were to win the league this season. Uthi there are some positives in our start, and that gives me hope against Mamelodi Sundowns. Uyazivala-ke statement sakhe. League-ke yona inzima kakhulu bafethu, but mawubheka ama-teams ukuthi aqala kanjani abaslowly isikhathi esiningi. I-Kaizer Chiefs ihleli laphana phezulu, 2 games 2 win. But igame yanamhlanje bafethu igame important kakhulu, igame ezotesta i-Kaizer Chiefs because siyazi i-Sundowns ungayibukela kwamanye amagame uthi ayikho indaba yabo, but ubathole kugame enkulu. Even last season against Orlando Pirates bekubonakala ngathi kuzoba lula against meyidlala ne-Sundowns cause bebane-confidence and bekumele i-league nje babonise then badlala ne-Sundowns ukuthi vele bazoyiwina. Only for them to drop the ball against i-Sundowns. Sundowns uLeon kula ashaya khona 2 noma i-Sundowns yabashaya 2 laphana, and Orlando Pirates ya-create ama-opportunities. So for ama-matches amakhulu uMikel Carlos ungamwrite off. Uyakwazi ukuba ne-squad esi-right or nokumotivate ama-players wakhe, and nama-players e-Sundowns aya-understand ukuthi meyedlala nama-teams wase-Soweto igame enkulu. So kuzoba igame enkulu namhlanje. So bona ukuthi ubani uzowina. For mina it's a difficult game man, isizini isaqala labantu laba sikhumbula ukuthi even na-last season ba-draw eligini, draw first leg, draw second leg. So sobona-ke namhlanje ukuthi abafana bazodlala kanjani. Ngicela ukuzibamba lana kwamanje bafowethu, ngithi danko.